Alrighty, good morning, YouTubers. Markets are overall down this morning, but MNQ has been making some steady upward progress. So a little bit tricky of a morning. We'll see what's going to happen here. I'm looking to play a breakout, go long at this point here. And yeah, we'll see. Again, this is the small account challenge, starting with $1,000 balance. Market's just opened up. I don't like where it's at right now, so we're going to just hang out for right now. Yeah, so I was saying small account challenge, $1,000, using one contract. You know, not looking to hit any home runs, just looking for golf money. So we'll see what happens. Nice rejection off that 50 SMA over here. Did not hold. Let's draw some fibs here. See if that'll help us with anything. Possible place to enter to go short. Can't do it now because that's just chasing. Again, this is the first candle, opening minute or two of the futures market. I know it's open almost 24/7, but you know what I mean. Since the New York Stock Exchange opened. Okay, still coming down. Could be a good buy point right here with a stop. See if we can take this, get a little bounce off this pivot point. It's close. Come on. Just thinking about it. Nope. Well, there's the bounce. So we just literally barely missed it. It happens. Okay. Let's see if we can get a, what they call a dead cat bounce. Look at that, hit that 61.8 perfectly. I'd actually like to see this price come up to this 50% retracement line, which also just happens to coincide with the 50 SMA on the 5-minute and the 8 SMA on the 30-minute, which might have that 15-minute. I'll keep it 30. Why not? Patience will be involved right now. Okay, I'm going to play a bounce off this line right here, that pivot point. Put our stop loss right down here below. That's good. We're going to move this up. Lock that green trade in. Oh, well, that was a nice $5. Okay, I don't want those on here anymore. I'm going to play a bounce right around here. See if some buyers can show up. Got our finger on the trigger if we need it to get out. Okay, if this goes away, this line turns blue, means we're in. We're going long. Okay, we're in. Stop loss. See if this will pop. Come on. Push. Push up. Push up. It's trying. Okay. Winning trade no matter what. That was weak. I didn't like that action. Maybe that was just me not being patient, but I didn't like that at all. Okay, we're in for a short trade, looking for the price to come down. I want to put the stop loss here, but I just feel like it's going to get taken out. So this might be a little bit larger of a loss than I'd like, but I want to give it some wiggle room. So I had to put my stop loss here. Would have been a small loss. And now it looks like we're going to take a big loss. However, if this comes down, then that would be a nice indication that the sellers are definitely in control. Okay, that's a nice rejection right there. Come on down, just keep crashing through. No, I got impatient. Well, they're just stuck right here at this 400 level. Okay, we're in again. Looking for a push down. Okay. Winning trade no matter what. Walk this down. Okay, we're making little gains here. Right now, this is being the chop zone. See, it's right at this pivot point. I'm going to play this chop a little bit. I'm going to see if I can get this to bounce up. Okay, we're in. Stop loss has to be below the chop. See if we can get a little push up. Not looking good. but that's what stop losses are for. Target point. Come on, push. Push up. There you go. Keep pushing. Pop up there. Hit that 8 SMA, which is this red line. All right, well, we're going to minimize our, here we go, green trade no matter what. Hey, it's looking good. Come on, take it out. Come on, push up. Push up. There we go. Very nice. Very nice trade. Took some patience though, some resolve. See how close it got to being stopped out. Our stop loss was right at this level here, and ooh, got close. Might be interested in putting a short position. Right there, put a stop loss right there. That red line turns blue, it means we're in the trade. Got close. That's too bad. That was a good setup. I still might be interested in doing this from a short perspective. Let's see if we can get in. Okay, there's the break. We're in. And we're out. Tiny little gain there. Call this scalping life. Let's see what if I do this. Let's see if this will work. I just configured, let's see, hold on, where am I at? A trailing stop loss. It's pretty tight though. Let me see here. I'm just talking and thinking at the same time. All right, I'm gonna try something different here. This type of trade would capitalize and capture any quick downward movement. Just gotta find the right setup though. Okay, let's see how it moves down. Watch it. So unfortunately, that was a losing trade. Try again. And I'll just let it run in auto this time. There we go. So you can see the stop loss moving down as the price goes down in our favor. So it's minimizing our loss. Now if this price collapses, we're going to be looking good. All right, so again, tiny loss. I'm not sure if I like this trailing stop loss or not. Seems to not be helping me here. Oh, now right there. That's would have been awesome. That's too bad. Just missed that. I'm going to turn that off. Okay, we're in on the trade. We'll just trail this down manually. Okay, good. That was nice. That was a beautiful trade. Up 60, that's almost golfing money. Pretty close, actually. What does it want to do? Would love to get a little more today, but we'll see. I don't need to be greedy. That's usually where you get in trouble, is with the greed. And I just noticed that when I talk, my microphone might be a little too sensitive. So hopefully the audio is okay. I'll adjust it down a little bit, so we'll see if that helps. I may have to put a compressor on it. You know, I believe today is what's called a quadruple witching day, and it's when options, expirations, and other financial events all line up together. And that's why it's acting weird. I don't know. See, I want to go short. But I feel like it's just going to rip my face off if I do. Last time I got down here, big old push up happened. Okay, not liking that at all. Okay. Stop loss down here. We're in the trade. We're going for a long, looking for a bounce. Last time it was down here, it bounced up. Could easily rip down and take all this profit out, but that's trading. Not looking good, and we're out. That was painful. Then here's the overnight low. Looks like it's going to head right through it. We'll see. This line represents a pivot point, which clearly did not help at all. There was no support whatsoever. See, on the previous times, the price came down here, bounced right off of it, but this time, which of course is the time that I'm in a trade, nope, I said no thank you. So we'd like to see this price come up here, and then I would be interested in a short position. This type of order here is a $20. So that movement there is what it has to go through to get 20 bucks. Let me just see if we can do this. In fact, I'm going to put it up here. See if we can get a little bounce. Turn this off for the stop loss. This is about a 1-to-1 RVR. Okay, we're in. Stop loss is set. See if he can punch up through there. Maybe the bulls have had enough. They're like, you know what? We're going to take back this chart. They're thinking about it. There you go. Pop up through there. Okay, this will be a green trade no matter what, but we're gonna at least let it hold on. Come on, take out the top one. Take it out. Push through. Push through. And it says no. I'll take my $10. Thank you. Looks like the bears are definitely in control of this market right now. We're in for a short position. Good. Nice $20. Thank you very much. Folks, I think I'm going to call a day here. Just not really digging it. Not liking it. 43. It's okay. Everybody have a great weekend. Be thankful. And everyone take care. Bye-bye.